Jesus Christ! It's the wrong way! Yes! Yes! Aren't you a great doggy? Five-star accommodation that NERB promised me. This is an actual legit rocket. Oh my god, it's a bearded dragon! I freaking bike just died. You are joking. Why are you running? I just want to be buddies. Whoa, 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 alright, gotta stack. I hate sand. Why do I keep coming with NERB to places with sand? Frick. About to head off into the desert, 400 k's of the Mount Brown track before we get to Pack Saddle. So probably 2 days. Filled up the fuel, full WR. 14 litres in the tank, 5 litres in the little Jerry. Should be plenty to get us there. Let's go. Alright, see you later, Akarua. 400 kilometres until the next fuel stop. Crossing sand, a desert, Stress Lucky Desert. Above Lake Vroom. Oh, I can't see shit out of my visor. It's all dusty on the inside. Mount Hopeless. That sounds good. Chinese MiGs have finally had their day. Fingers are starting to come through them and stuff. Only on this trip though. I have had these gloves since 2015 or something. And I wear them every single day. I commute on a motorcycle pretty much every single day. And they have been spectacular. The best gloves I've ever owned. Probably done, well, don't even know, man, 50,000 plus Ks on. Off-road, on-road, track riding, I've used these everywhere. Yeah, some people wear MX gloves when they're adventure riding because it's kind of off-road, but I mean, adventure riding, you're doing a lot of road Ks as well. MX gloves, you can't hit the road on MX gloves. They're going to last exactly 0.1 of a second. As you know, I'm not a huge, like, all the gear all the time guy, but, gloves are pretty important, man. Hopefully they just stopped for me and didn't stop for a flat tire. Oh, all good. Good again? Yep. Nothing much here to see? Not much to see, eh? Nope. Nope. Jesus Christ. Silly bloody cow. Whoa! It's so windy, it kind of like unsettled me. As you can see, the sand has begun. Sand dune up there. We're heading into the Stress Lucky, can't ever say it correctly, Stress Lucky Desert. That's what we're crossing today. Probably won't get it done all in one day. I'm gonna have to probably camp in there at some point. We're going from Akarua to Pack Saddle. It's about 400 k's without fuel, and probably, you know, 300 of it or something is going to be sand. You know, in the sand now. This is deep and soft. I kind of thought we were just doing Googs track as our sandy adventure this trip, but it looks like we're doing bloody another desert. Heading to the New South Wales border right now on a private road, which we have permission. All the properties that we're passing through, we have permission. Craig's organised all of that. I'm just along for the ride. Mustering some, a lot of petrol. Give me some petrol, please. Whoa, it's a big bloody cattle yard over there. Oh, it's the grader. Oh shit, might not be graded from here on. Water Valley Station. Just been talking to these guys. These guys have been camped out here for 2 months. We thought our camping experience was long. 2 months these guys have been camping out, mustering and trucking out cattle
out of this station. That's why the road was so good. It was been graded by that grader over there, so they can truck out the cattle. So they've got about another month here of mustering up the cattle. There's some little bikes over there that the actual kids have been helping out mustering, which is pretty freaking cool. Imagine that. Imagine being able to muster cattle instead of just got their mum over there, you know, teaching them school, doing the school job for them. Old mate's giving him a hand. He's going to put a bit more air in his front. I think he's got a slow leak in the front, so just getting a bit of air in it. Don't do school, bloody ride motorbikes chasing cattle all day. Freak yeah!
What's that over there? It's not a dingo, is it? Where are you going? I was trying to look at the dingo. I thought I saw a dingo. I was like, is that a dingo? And then you stopped. Sorry, man. That's alright. I do. Only because of your fault. And hit my bike. You owe me a new tyre. Thanks, NERB. Making me fall off because I thought I saw a dingo. But the lady was just telling us that they're not really pure dingoes anymore. Obviously, dingoes are a breed of dog, so they can breed with normal domestic dogs. So most of them are a hybrid now. Hybrid dingo. So it's pretty rare to get even a, you know, more than a 70% pure dingo these days. Old mate at the station we stayed at the other night was telling us that a single dingo can kill 100 sheep in a night, just biting them and killing them because they don't eat them. A lot of times they're just playing with the sheep and just killing them for fun and stuff, the dingoes. So I guess even a single dingo inside the dog fence would be pretty detrimental to your sheep flock. Oh, ball! That's pretty cool. Its own little wetland. A lot of algae on it.
I wonder when that was sunk.
Oh, it's hot.
Is it hot? Oh,
yeah, you can see the steam.
Test it with your face.
Oh, yeah, it's just a hot bath.
Hot bath? This is a bore. Straight out of the earth. Hot. Geothermal bore water.
Taking the boom. Let's muster them. We'll muster them into this pen. We're pretty good at mustering now. You're on the road, cows. Oh no, the little tacker. Too easy. I thought today was going to be hard, man. We were all like, oh, we're going to cross the Stress Leggy Desert. It's going to be so hard. We've done over 200 Ks in like 2-3 hours. It was pretty quick for crossing a sand desert. We'll freaking easily make it to Backsaddle today. 6th gear. The faster you go, the easier it is. That being said, you still do crash. Watching Toby Price do the think. KTM 500, you can see him at 170 just moving from apex to apex of the track just to make it as smooth as possible. For a WR250 with 20 something horsepower, you've got plenty of power to move you along. Cutting through sand at 115 k's an hour and fifth. Still got 6 I could rev out, but I use too much fuel. Walker's Gate. Failing to close this gate shall be liable to a penalty exceeding $1,000. This is how important our gates are here in Australia. Don't like dogs. This is the border of New South Wales and South Australia, the dog fence. He's quick, he's quick. There he goes. See you later. Sucker. Oh well. 365 k's down, off-road, 80 to go. Kangas. Jesus Christ, slow down, NERB son. Whoa, what is that, a cat? Is that a cat over there? Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
A wild cat.
That was a cat.
Yeah, full on. Heard about these wild cats. Bloody miss it. Suicidal goats, man. Woo! Tested out the gear was on like 6 or something. Oh. Used some freaking RidingWithTom ABS then. Just took out a pack of goats. Kangaroo. Probably got about 10 more kilometers and then we are on the main road again. It's been a big day, man. That's a big day of off-road. About 440 kilometers fuel to fuel. Probably about 200 plus of that was soft sand. It's cutting out already. I don't know why. It's got fuel. Going for it. Bike's cutting in and out. NERB's gonna run out of fuel. This isn't charging at all. Going for it. 29 k's to pack saddle. I'm gonna try and go like 4th. It shouldn't be cutting out. There's tons of fuel in it. Come on, little WR, don't die on me now. 440 kilometers fuel to fuel. I'm having bike issues. The bike doesn't seem to be like it's the vacuum line's pulling the fuel up. So it's cutting out whenever I give it wide open throttle. But, very weird. We'll figure it out soon. Pack saddle, here again. Trying to figure out what's wrong with my bike.
Pack saddle, the diamond in the dust. So my bike was cutting out the whole way then. Just had a look and the vacuum lines that, the lines that actually draw the fuel up, I don't know if I can get it on camera, but they've got a giant air bubble in them. So you can see that air bubble there. So I'm thinking that might be restricting, because obviously the vacuum's working. I was able to ride, I just couldn't get enough fuel up there. As if that's what it feels like when it's running out of fuel. It's, I have to, you know, give it just a, you know, only a fifth the throttle or something. So I'm going to fill it up right now, and if it runs like normal, then we know it's just those vacuum lines. Hopefully it'll maybe clear those bubbles on its own when it's full of fuel. Otherwise, I'll just have to keep her full all the way home. And so we were all good. Bike ran fine with a full tank, so it was just those air bubbles in the vacuum lines. Here we are at Pack Saddle in its really quite elegant camping area. Some call it the Taj Mahal of camping. Look at that sunset. Good colours out here. You're in the shop more now. Country pub, playing country music.